Hey guys, Harsh here and welcome back to Technolobe. Today is a very exciting day. I'm pumped up because I'm going to review the Zhiyun Smooth Q. This one right over here. Now for those of you out there who don't know what this is, it's basically a gimbal for your smartphone. So it is used to stabilize the footage coming out of your smartphone, that is video footage. So now no more shaky handheld videos, no more missing the moment, no more unusable videos. With this accessory right over here, you can get some buttery smooth crazy shots and you can make your videos look even better. Now before I get into the review, a huge shout out to Mr. Deepen Nisar for letting me borrow this gimbal. It's not my gimbal, it's his gimbal. He uses it for his channel. I'll drop a link to his channel in the description box below. You can go ahead and follow him. He makes some really good content. Especially if you are a biker out there, then you should definitely follow him. His channel is really awesome. So I'll drop a link in the description box below, and also at the end of this video, like there'll be a little face. Hit that face, hit that subscribe button, and you'll be good to go. Okay, so with that out of the way, let's just dive into the review. And as always, let's start with design and build quality. So first up, let me say that I really like the design of this product. You can use it in portrait as well as landscape mode. So you can use it for Instagram and IGTV, which is a very good thing. So if you're a content creator out there who loves to, create Instagram stories or content for IGTV, then this gimbal is kind of a must-have accessory because it makes your videos look even better. Like the handheld videos are great, I know that, but using this accessory you can make it even better. Like your Instagram story game will go from here to here, which is a very good thing. Also, you can use it for live stream on Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, Twitch and all these things, and it works really well for live streams as well. So I really like the design of this product. Even the button placement is awesome. You get a joystick up front which can be used to control the movement of this gimbal, that is from pan from left to right or tilt from top to bottom and all those things, and the joystick is very well made. Also, you get other buttons like the power on and off button. You also get a mode button which can be used to switch between various modes, which we'll talk about in just a bit. And you also get a button to zoom in and out of your footage, so you can zoom in and zoom out, but obviously that is a digital zoom because you're using a smartphone over here. So overall, this gimbal's design is really good. I also like the fact that it comes with a USB port at the bottom, so you can charge your phone while using this gimbal, which is awesome. Like this gimbal has a massive battery, so you can use this gimbal and charge your phone at the same time, which is a very big thumbs up from my side. Now one thing, I thought that it should have come with a USB Type-C port, but considering that this gimbal is almost a year old, I cannot complain about that, so that's kind of okay. Now as far as the build quality goes, this thing is a beast. Like as soon as you pick it up in your hand for the first time, you'll instantly notice that this is something substantial. You've spent your money and you're getting your worth over here. It is made out of premium materials, it has some weight to it, and it feels like a good and premium product, which is a very good thing. So as soon as I picked this up in my hand for the first time, I was like, man, this is awesome. I've also used the DJI Osmo Mobile 2 and it feels very similar to that, so that gets a very big thumbs up from my side. Now that was design and build quality. What about the features that you get with this gimbal? So you have tons of modes and features. Now if we sit to talk about each and every feature, then this video would probably go on for 20 minutes. That's why I'm going to talk about some of the things that I particularly liked about this gimbal. And number one on that list is the motion time-lapse feature. So if you use this gimbal and the app that comes along with this gimbal, then you can set up some incredible motion time lapses. Like this feature is the best out of the lot because you can get some incredible footage out of this gimbal. Like it's awesome. You cannot do that with your hand and your normal, smartphone camera app, but using this gimbal and the app that comes along with it, the motion time lapses are next level. So if you're a smartphone vlogger out there, then this kind of feature is gold for you. Like your videos will go to the next level immediately. You can use those time lapses in BRoll and they look pretty incredible. Also, the other features that you get with this gimbal are various modes. So there's one lock mode wherein if you set it to a particular point and if you try to move the gimbal in any direction, the smartphone will stay locked in a particular position. Also, the other mode is called as follow mode, which will follow your hand movement. So if your hand moves to the right, the gimbal will go to the right. If your hand moves to the left, the gimbal will go to the left, and so on, which is a very good thing. Also, you can use it for selfie mode, which can be used for live streaming or vlogging if you want to, which is kind of crazy. Like if you tap the mode button 3 times, it will turn around and it will be in selfie mode, which is really good. Now what about battery life? Well, the company claims that you can get 12 hours of battery life on a full charge, but I was getting somewhere around 8 to 9 hours on a constant basis, which is still very good. Now obviously, as I mentioned, you can charge your phone while using the gimbal as well, and that will drain your battery faster, but you can charge your phone, so that's a plus point. But if you have your phone at 100% and if you use this gimbal, then it will probably last you for around 8 to 9 hours, which is a good thing. Now that was enough about the gimbal. Let's go ahead and see what you can actually achieve using this product. I've shot a quick B-roll sequence using the Zhiyun Smooth Q, my Poco F1 and also the iPhone 10. So the upcoming B-roll sequence is a combination of all these things, and hopefully you enjoy it.
I'm alone, I'm a broken home. I gave you all the bricks that I own and know. I'm letting go, I'm breaking these walls down, breaking these walls down. If you want adventure, then fly to home. But if you wanna travel, then go alone. Yeah, what's the point in us if I never know? Yeah, if you're gonna leave, I'ma let you go. I'm tired of the pain. Go away. I'm tired with yesterday. Fada, fada.
So if you are a vlogger out there, this is a must-have accessory, because this accessory will take your videos to next level. Now obviously, if you vlog with a DSLR or with a point and shoot or with a mirrorless camera, then obviously this accessory is not applicable to you. But if you are a smartphone vlogger out there, then you should definitely consider buying a gimbal, because it makes your videos look even better. Now this is not a small investment, it is a big investment. It will cost you somewhere around 10 to 15,000 rupees based upon which model you go for and where do you buy it from. Like, there's an advanced model of this which is called as the Zhiyun Smooth 4, which is already available, and so on. But having a gimbal in your arsenal is a very good thing, because it makes your videos even better, and it adds extra production value to your videos, and I'm pretty sure your audience will love the videos after you use a gimbal. So overall, to sum it all up, I would say this one line: if you create content using your smartphone, then you should definitely consider this accessory. If you want to buy it, I'll drop a direct link in the description box below. So anyway, that's been it. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I hope that you liked this video in some way or the other. And if you did, then make sure to smash that like button. Also, if you haven't yet, please hit that subscribe button below. It would mean the world to me. You can also follow me on Instagram at Technolobe. I post a lot of photos and videos over there as well, so definitely check out my page. A link is available in the description box below. My name is Harsh Punjabi. I'll see you guys in the next one.